The sacrifice of labor leaders, an analysis of labor issues in the Philippines. The Philippines, a country known for its rich culture and abundant natural resources, also a long history of struggle for worker rights. Behind the achievements and development of the country, there are hidden stories of sacrifice, hard work, and fighting for justice in the world of work. This project seeks to deepen the understanding of labor-related issues in the Philippines by examining a significant incident and highlighting a labor leader who lost his life due to labor-related crime is an important step toward honoring these heroes and reminding us of the importance of defending workers' rights. As a student, what I can see here is that an issue should be chosen that shows the main labor practices in the Philippines, such as low wage, job security, discrimination, and violation of human rights. Studying incidents, studying the events, the people involved, and the results will provide a clear picture of the challenges faced by workers. It is also important to pay attention to the role of the worker leader who has become a victim of crime. His action, his advocacy, and his sacrifice should be the center of analysis. More than presenting the facts, this project aims to provoke awareness and action. The incident review should conclude with a clear goal for change. As a student, what I can say is we must think of ways to improve the condition of workers in the Philippines and defend their rights. This project is not just an academic work but a call action to promote social justice and respect for the dignity of every worker. The sacrifice of labor leaders should not be forgotten. This should serve as an inspiration and challenge to us to continue the struggle for a more just and equal society.